Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You sign into Snapchat and go straight to your profile. Once there, open Settings and find Email. You need to confirm your current password to edit account contact info, so enter it when prompted. If you have two-factor enabled, make sure your phone or authenticator is available to receive codes. Once you've authenticated, tap the email field to begin removal or replacement. This starts the change process and prevents losing access to your account. You proceed by tapping Remove. If Snapchat forces a replacement, choose Change and enter a new email you control. When Snapchat sends a verification link or code, open that message and confirm. This is how the system proves ownership. If verification fails, immediately use password reset or the Snapchat account portal on desktop to complete the edit, because the Webflow sometimes exposes options the app hides. Make sure to use You finalize by confirming the change in app and then logging out and back in to verify no email is listed. Once removed, update any linked services and revoke permissions tied to the old email to prevent access. If Snapchat prevents removal, replace the address with a throwaway you control and repeat verification, or contact Snapchat support with your account details and proof of ownership. If you run into problems, check spam for verification mails and make sure two-factor codes aren't expiring before use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.